just have this dude sitting on top, just like perched, just a goon, a perched up goon. That's kind of funny. It's so hard to see the detail on these. I gotta get this fucking thing out of here. I figured out the perfect way and I can't remember now. You see this O-ring? This son of a bitch is so hard to get out of here. Well, it usually is. Now that I said that, that was beautiful. These wheels are great. I love these wheels, but man, you gotta wear even not like low speed shit like this, because there's such microscopic dust that gets in your eyes, and then as your eyes move, it almost like sands the inside of your eyes. And I was having a lot of problems with my eyes, man. Because you know, low speed shit like that, you're like, you know, it's no big deal. And then it turns out, yeah, it's a real big deal. Alright. Needs cleanup right there. Big old fat cigar in this dude's mouth. You heard it, right? Now, where the fuck it bounced? Yeah, you little fucker. Got it. I mean, I'd like to do something kind of cool and funny, but it's gonna be a pain in the ass. There's days, it's rare, but there's days where I come here and I just start fucking up so bad that I just leave. Like, yeah, I go home and work on wax. I gotta do something productive, but I just, sometimes metal ain't it. It's like, I know I'm missing something. The badasses at Nottingham Tactical, they mill these up for me, and they mill the pods up too. They're awesome. Their work is awesome. All right. Cigar. That's the cigar piece right there. Woo. Just got a blob of nothing. Ooh. Sizzly. I prefer to use hard solder with this because of the placement. And I'll get a super solid bond. Ah, now the fun stuff. Ooh, sizzled my finger. That's why I always wear gloves. Oh, you bastard. Bastard. Just reshape it. I should go clean this. I know it's going to be... Ow! See that? God. I figured I'd be smart enough to move that at this point. I'm gonna eat up all my solder here. Alright. Here's the fun. I try to approximate the shape very loosely, as you can tell. Good there. This is going to be my attach point up here. That's where it's going to attach first. Come on. It's key. Nottingham sent this piece. They made that. They milled this piece for me, so I could hammer form on these and not destroy the piece or take it out of round. Because if these get out of round, you're done. But you don't want a super hard hammer doing that, because then you'll damage the piece, you know? This is where it can get tricky. Come on. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. And that's the other thing that happens. As I'm trying to get these things down, the fucking logo melts. God damn it. Ugh, I'm losing the logo. God damn it. The solder, man. It is, like, I make sure everything is sealed, you know? And once this particular brass oxidizes, it's really difficult. The level of frustration is like fucking beyond. Shit can frustrate you beyond. God damn it. Oh, man. Hey, you see what that solder's doing? Bouncing all over the fucking place. God damn it. God damn it. God damn. Ah. Fucking frustration. I'll show you what I mean. God damn it. It's so frustrating, dude. It's so fucking frustrating. Maybe I spoke too soon. Ah. It seems to have bonded. We'll tell after I clean it. Fuck. See that? That's heat scale. I'm going to texture around these pieces. I'm going to polish this, but not until I'm done with this. So, okay. See now, there's a little bit of trickiness to this. This can be real tricky on these little tiny. Come on! I should probably make a little flat spot up there, but let's live dangerously. So it'll sit like see, Sharpie's gone, but I can still see that scratch. Ah! Ah! Okay. I think I gotta move it. And there's my mark. Right there, I can see it. God damn it. So it's important that I heat that bottom up first. And then I'm looking right now for a place to grab this. That's not gonna work. All right, there we go. All right, here we go. That looks like it might be it. I'm gonna say we got it. From what I can see. Let's say it. It looks like swamp water now. Nice and clean.